Hi, this is Harold Albright. Are you or your family tech lovers who are interested in drones, perhaps for aerial photography, perhaps for racing, perhaps for a youngster just learning to fly? Then you will love this Best Drones for Beginners video. Drones weighing under 250 grams can be flown recreationally without the need to register it with the FAA. Larger drones and all commercial drones must be registered. We'll cover 9 drones in this video, 3 of which are not recommended due to issues with their design. The other 6 are recommended, and most are lightweight recreational use with no registration requirement. Before we get started, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon so every time I bring a new video, you'll be notified. Drone designs vary greatly in terms of speed, range, size, safety guards. Some hobbyists focus primarily on features and speed if they want to race their drones. Others, photographers and videographers' main focus is on camera quality and video resolution. Now, prices vary greatly, from $6.99 to $29.99 on Amazon. $29.99 being a drone for kids, for beginners. The first drone we'll talk about is the DJI Minivac Mini, which was launched at the end of 2019. It claimed less than 250 gram weight to avoid the requirement for registration. What features does it offer? This drone features GPS, mechanical gimbal for the camera, and high-quality video recording in a micro SD card, which is sufficient for YouTubers and Instagrammers. It is very popular among professional consumers. Besides, it has a price on Amazon of $399. Beginners who are not confident in shooting and operational drones have used it with quick automated shots, keeping the subject focused. Also, this drone is one of the best drones for both kids and tech lovers interested in aerial photography. It has lots of safety features such as hover, return to home, to save you from any trouble. Second is the DJI Mini 2. And if you're familiar with photography, then this is absolutely the best choice. This drone has a price of $449 on Amazon. It's pretty much easy to carry with sensors to hover without GPS and detachable propellers to avoid mishaps. If we examine specs, they are unique. In fact, it has all the features that you expect from a drone. Weighs under 250 grams with GPS, quick shots feature, returning home options, and connects with your mobile through an application. It means no more waiting for photographs. Furthermore, this drone has a 10-kilometer range and can be easily used in 24-mile-per-hour wind with automatic switching of remote control. The good news is it won't get out of contact. Besides that, the camera gimbal provides great support to avoid blurred and low-quality aerial views. Best of all, it keeps images vibration-free and records high-definition videos. The third is the Parrot Anaphy FPV first-person view drone. This is a professional drone weighing 310 grams with a camera resolution of 21 megapixels and a video resolution of 4K, capable of zooming in with zooming in video mode. The company has done a great job by creating the drone 10 years ago and now featuring the first-person view system. Many hobbyists and surveyors prioritize Anaphy over DJI because of its features as a first-person view. Also, you can use it with another VR headset. What stands out as the most outstanding feature is the tilting camera. You can flip the camera up or down to get the best angle for images to create 3D models. Now, this is an expensive craft, pricing at $6.99 on Amazon. It does lack collision sensors, but photographers are still obsessed with it. Third is the Ryze Tello drone. DJI's relationship with the firm Ryze has led to a successful and solid Tello. This 80-gram little Intel is highly affordable with DJI software and Bluetooth game controller. Sells for $149. If we analyze its Wi-Fi range, it measures 100 meters with 720 pixel video and photos with 5 MP that the application can record. Likewise, its built-in sensors and processor are capable of hovering and taking off. Hence, if you are looking for a drone for your kid, this programmable drone is so cool that this tech worked for Tony Stark in Iron Man. Next drone is the Simrex X20. Simrex X20 costs less than the DJI Mini, but does not compromise on mechanical gimbals or the SD card slot, folding design, and speed setting. When we see a poor quality video, we understand why manufacturers focus on the mechanical gimbal. This company is cost effective, provides great specs as first-person view, 5G Wi-Fi, follow me altitude, and remote control, which is rare. Moreover, the photos are not as sharp as 4K quality as it claims. You may feel slight distortion and softness. It has a price of $249.99 on Amazon. The USB cable shows the difference between Simrex X20 and DJI Mini 2. This is an elegant product which is easy to use at an affordable price. Now the next one is the Hollystone HS100 Navigator. And this is a drone designed by DJI Phantom for learning photographers and videography with experience of flying and capturing the aerial view in high resolution. It features a GPS camera tilt. Unfortunately, it does not have a mechanical gimbal to support the camera, so the drone's vibrations are more visible in the video and the Wi-Fi signals get lost and tend to drop. So this is not a drone that we would recommend. Number 7 is the JJRC H36. It was a great start for anyone dreaming of flying high. The copter is cheap with a 6-minute battery, but powerful and safe. Most importantly, it has no camera. It mainly improves your skill to operate a machine with a controller, which can trim and control speed. The problem is that it has a return to home option and 360-degree flight flotation that makes it tossing, that keeps it tossing in any direction. And again, this is not a drone that we could recommend. Now, number 8 is a budget-friendly quadcopter that's perfect for kids at a price of $29.99. This is a durable and affordable drone that's simple to use, hence it's best for beginners who are not aware of tricks to pilot the drone. Moreover, its headless mode is our favorite, as the forward direction will be the same as your transmitter. In addition, featuring altitude, holds with one button takeoff is very simple for kids or a beginner yourself. As for its weight, it is only 190 grams, which is less than 8.8 ounces. You will have no need to register it with the FAA. The ATOP 11 is a mini starter kit with safety-conscious propeller guards and 3 batteries. This little drone, also named Cyclone and Pioneer, has control sticks. It gets charged by a USB lead connected to the drone. However, the connectors are not child-friendly, and swapping batteries puts stress on wiring. So this is another one that we would not recommend. This is an update on best drones for beginners. Again, be sure and like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell icon so that every time I bring a new video, you'll be notified.